Ever felt like investing was a game rigged against you? Like those fancy financial advisors only cater to people with mountains of cash, leaving the rest of us scratching our heads about fees and hidden charges? You're not alone. And if you've been eyeing StashAway, wondering if it's a legit way to grow your wealth without getting nickel and dimed, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the one question everyone asks: what are the fees for StashAway? Let's be real, fees can make or break your investment journey. A seemingly small percentage can eat into your returns over time, leaving you with less than you expected. So, understanding StashAway's fee structure is crucial before you jump in. StashAway operates on a straightforward, transparent fee model. They charge an all-in management fee, meaning you won't find a bunch of hidden costs lurking in the fine print. This fee covers everything from portfolio management and rebalancing to brokerage and custody fees. It's designed to be simple and predictable, which is a breath of fresh air in the often confusing world of investing. Now, let's get down to the specifics. StashAway's fees are tiered, meaning the percentage you pay depends on the total value of your assets under management, AUM. The more you invest, the lower the percentage you pay. This is a common practice in the industry, rewarding those who entrust larger sums to their platform. For most users, the fee structure looks something like this. For the first $25,000, you'll typically pay a management fee of around 0.8% per annum. As your AUM increases, this percentage gradually decreases. For example, for amounts between $25,000 and $50,000, it might drop to 0.7%. And for amounts above $100,000, it can go even lower, potentially reaching 0.2% to 0.5% depending on the specific region and product you are using. It's important to note that these figures can vary slightly depending on your location and the specific StashAway product or service you're using. So, always check the most up-to-date fee schedule on their official website for your region. But here's the thing, these fees are calculated daily and charged to your account monthly. This means you're only paying for the actual value of your investments at any given time. It's a fair system that aligns StashAway's interests with yours. Now, you might be wondering, what about other fees? Are there any hidden costs I should be aware of? The good news is, StashAway prides itself on its transparency. There are no sales charges, no withdrawal fees, and no transfer fees. The only fee you'll encounter is the management fee we just discussed. This simplicity is one of StashAway's biggest selling points. It allows you to focus on your investment goals without worrying about unexpected charges eating into your returns. But let's put this into perspective. Imagine you're investing $10,000 with StashAway. At a 0.8% management fee, you'd be paying roughly $80 per year. Break that down further, and it's less than $7 a month. Considering the automated portfolio management, diversification, and rebalancing you're getting, many investors find this fee reasonable. Of course, whether StashAway's fees are worth it depends on your individual circumstances and investment goals. If you're looking for a hands-off, low-cost way to invest in a diversified portfolio, StashAway is definitely worth considering. However, if you prefer to actively manage your investments and are comfortable with the complexities of the market, you might find other options more suitable. Remember, investing always involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. But by understanding the fees associated with StashAway, you can make an informed decision and take control of your financial future. So, to recap, StashAway charges a tiered management fee based on your AUM, with no hidden costs or surprise charges. Always check their website for the most current fee schedule in your region. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.